potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather, or severe weather is occurring in the area, these tests will be postponed until another day. Again, this has only been a test of the National Weather Service's radio alarm tone. Here are the 10 a.m. observations.
Alright, well there's that. And this is going to continue beeping because...
Relative humidity.
Alright.
6 inches and rising. At Carson, the city of the Tep.
There. Alright, well there's the weekly test. I unfortunately did not exactly catch the Recom R1630A and 1650A going off because these things have a very short siren duration for weekly tests and everything. But what I can tell you is it's basically a higher pitched beep than this and is a little bit more faster. And it also raises volume because these things don't have a siren volume selector. Anyway, that's it. And I'm trying to get this thing uploaded and this interrupted me, so that was great. Anyway, have a good day. Okay, so I think there was just a weekly test error just now because I just realized that the effective time is wrong. If you look a little closer on the Radio Shack 12996, you can clearly see that there is a weekly test on the screen. As you can see, required weekly test. It's the alert scroll. However, if you look a little closer, the effective time for it to end is 12:30 p.m. Weekly tests are usually 15 minutes, so that's strange. And if you think this 996 bugged out and you're thinking that all my other radios have the correct time, the newer Recoms are not easily trickable. Like, you can't activate them yourself. The only ones you can activate are the older ones. You can see effective time 1 hour and 24 minutes. And you still don't believe me? 1650D, an hour 24 minutes. It even says it on the classic Recoms. And the other one. So basically what happened is it seems that the weekly test was timed wrong. So requirement passcode, please. And it says weekly test. And it probably will scroll and say until. Yep, it did. Yeah, so it seems that they timed it wrong. That was a fail. So, whoops-a-daisy.